Zimbabwe for me is fascinating because I think, by the way, I think that's a great opportunity for somebody to produce a piece of literature about how to operate a business in an environment as complex as Zimbabwe, because it presents the kind of macroeconomic environment that is not often experienced. So, leaders in many of the developed economies talk about how to manage complexity. You want to manage complexity, go to Zim. It's like it's a bit like running a business. I think in Venezuela, probably very similar. And I think for someone out there, there's just a fantastic opportunity to talk to business leaders and managers and talk about how are you delivering a consistently growing P&L and value creation for shareholders in this kind of environment. Because I'd read that. Yeah. I would genuinely pick that up and read it.
So we better write the book.
I don't have the insights. I'm not as close. I mean, I know a few business leaders who run some of the large businesses in Zim. So I understand a bit of the nuance, but I think being in it every day is a very different story. If you look at the size of the informal market, if you look at the cannibalization of the capital markets, you look at the lack of liquidity, almost, a dearth of cash, whether or not there is a currency, all of these I think present very interesting case studies for how to build business. Because at the end of the day, people need to live, so people still need to buy food and water and eat and all the rest of it. So there's still a social case for running a business. But I'm very interested around the economic model.